how it's different from a presentation is that, participants can actually write on the slides that we prepare beforehand. I'm just going to show you, it's a slide from an assertive communication training. So the trainer is probably explaining something at one point about different communication style. And as we move along and as we go to the fourth slide, it became a group exercise. So now different groups can discover, the different styles based on different aspects or through different aspects. Like one group can deal with body language, one group can, deal with the vocabulary of these different communication styles. And it's very easy to switch from, presentation style to group work, and that provides us the flexibility to work in teams and to actually help the participants to get dedicated and to get on board with the exercises.